All right, similar to the first video, do a really good job of hand fighting. Your base is pretty good. Your footwork is decent. You get this, but again, we kind of fall into the outside. So your head's on the outside of the guillotine, and it becomes an issue. Luckily, you got out of it. Good job. You're going to start to pass on your left, which is great. Just be careful you don't get triangled when you go this route. You're applying your left elbow to his right leg on this side at some point. Just make sure that you don't get slipped or pulled into the triangle. Beautiful. Slide right through. Side control. Collect your points. Beautiful pressure. Go to mount. I like how you went high on mount. Brings the hands a little bit higher. Look at that. Straight back. This is what I want to see. Your knees are wide. Your hips are coming down. Your back is straighter. This is a very uncomfortable position for the other guy. So his elbow's on the other side. At this point, you can start to isolate it. Bring your arm under the elbow and start to bring that above his head. Again, I'll send you a link on that. I think this is pretty much the rest of the fight, at least according to my video. Yeah, that's about it. Great job.